The magnificence and madness of gold. Since the dawn of civilization, one element has held humanity captive. Not just because of its shimmer, but because of its soul. We speak of gold. Element 79 on the periodic table, Au. It is the ultimate paradox, the pinnacle of material stability, yet the catalyst for human madness. This is the story of gold's magnificence and its inherent madness. The magnificence of gold begins with its very nature. Chemically, gold is eternal. It is a noble metal. It does not rust. It does not tarnish. It resists corrosion, unlike any other. A gold coin buried for 2,000 years emerges as if it were minted yesterday. This very quality of chemical immortality is what gives it its intrinsic value. Beyond its durability, gold possesses incredible physical properties. A single ounce can be drawn into a wire 50 miles long, or beaten into a sheet so thin it's translucent. This extreme malleability makes it the perfect material for high-tech electronics, from our smartphones to satellites, where reliable, non-corrosive conductivity is vital. It is, quite literally, the metal that links the ancient world to the digital age. For millennia, gold has been the bedrock of finance. It doesn't rely on the promise of any government. It relies only on its own scarcity and its own unchangeable nature. When currencies crumble and markets panic, gold is the safe haven, the anchor against the tides of economic chaos. This is its magnificent role as the silent, incorruptible guarantor of value. Yet, this very magnificence gives rise to its shadow: madness. The human pursuit of gold has driven some of the most irrational and destructive episodes in history. Think of the gold rushes, California, the Klondike. Thousands abandoned homes, families, and fortunes, risking their lives in brutal conditions for a fleeting chance at instant wealth. Most found only destitution and death. Gold didn't just pull people toward it, it pushed them into a frenzy, overriding common sense. This madness was, and still is, a force of geopolitical destruction. The obsessive quest for El Dorado fueled the brutal conquest of entire civilizations, like the Aztec and Inca empires, where the spiritual and artistic value of their gold was violently replaced by the invaders' sheer greed. Gold transformed from a symbol of the sun and the gods into a curse of war and genocide. In modern markets, the madness continues. Gold's price is frequently dictated not by physical demand, but by collective fear and speculation. It swings wildly, reflecting the emotional state of the global investor, a feverish rush to buy when the world looks uncertain, driven by a primal, almost irrational urge to hold something tangible. It turns gold from a sound asset into a speculative bubble. Gold, therefore, is the perfect metaphor for humanity itself. Its magnificence is the scientific and historical truth of its value: stable, enduring, and beautiful. Its madness is the human projection onto it, the greed, the destruction, and the frenzied obsession that has led us to the world's deepest mines and across its most dangerous frontiers. Gold doesn't change. We do. It is a mirror reflecting our own deepest aspirations and our most terrifying flaws. And for as long as it glitters, the world will continue to be captivated by both its magnificence and its madness.